episode of Home Robotics. I'll be showing you how to make this toy snapping shark. So this is the design I want to transfer onto the MDF board. I don't have it in digital form, so I think I'm going to photocopy that, blow it up maybe 20 or 30 times, and then print it on the computer, and then I'll transfer that to the MDF. Okay, so I've split up the top and the bottom jaw. My Photoshop skills are terrible, so now I'll just go and blow these up and print them. So I got the pieces cut out, a little bit overkill, and from here we'll just cut them out. I have the panels cut out. I'm now going to start gluing the base together, so you can start adding some three-dimensional properties to the toy, and something like that. We've had the first skin layer out of 3mm MDF. We've also decided to bring the nose in a little bit just to make it a little more pointy. And then next step will be to get a layer of MDF and bend it very slowly over that curve, and then attach it to this stock here. So I've cut this piece of MDF and I'm going to glue it to the top of the shark's head, and then using a combination of steam and water, I'm going to slowly bend it over the shark's nose. We'll see how it goes. So there's a progress update. I've actually installed a 12-volt motor with a crank and a control arm, and that is actually causing the mouth to open and close. So there's what I intended all along. The battery is a little bit flat, so it's going a little bit slow. From here I'm going to sand it down, add some more features such as some fins, and start to cosmetically enhance the robot shark. So we've done a paint job. We've painted the top part dark blue and obviously the jaw light blue, and we'll just turn it on just to show you what it looks like. Start looking at improving some of the aesthetics. We'll put some eyes here, we'll also put some fins, rubber teeth on the top and bottom jaw. That way it looks like it's biting on something. And from here I'll be using just rubber mat to cut out the teeth, and then I'll cut out the fins and I'll glue it onto the shark. So I think most of the work is complete on the shark. I've added some horizontal fins. Once to get them made out of rubber, that way they won't break if you drop it. I've glued some eyes and painted some other features. Otherwise I say this is pretty much complete. We'll just switch it on and see what it looks like. Okay, I've got it switched on. At some point I'm going to put a switch here into some circuitry and tuck the battery inside so it doesn't get in the way. We'll just see how much pain it causes to stick my hand in. No pain, it's just foam. kids to play with it, see how long it'll last before they destroy it. Hey! Again.
Oh, we got to end that closer. Ah! I almost made it. Yes. Ah!
And go.
Go.
Oh, almost. Combined with the ramp and the shark, looks like it's providing some entertainment for one of my kids. Oh, there you go.
Yes.
Good shot. And once again, just to show you can build your own toys at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.